The VPN market is waiting for no one, and Surfshark is running at the front of the pack with multiple major updates throughout 2025. In this Surfshark Review 2026, though, I'm going to go through those updates and this provider in general to see if it can satisfy your needs in the years to come. At this point, we've all heard that online privacy is facing a decline, and you need the best VPN to protect yourself. Surfshark is currently among the most security and privacy-focused providers. Look for yourself. It completely encrypts all data passing through its servers using reliable, universally accepted encryption algorithms. The only vulnerability to this is data leaks, situations when the VPN connection gets lost, disabling encryption, and exposing your data. If that happens, Surfshark VPN uses the kill switch to cut off the connection to prevent leaks. And in 2025, it also added a new feature, Everlink. That's a dynamic system that rebuilds the connection in real time before the leak can happen. A brand new approach to maintaining user privacy. To be honest, Surfshark review videos often dance around the Surfshark's Netherlands jurisdiction since it's a part of the 14 Eyes Intelligence Sharing Alliance, but I don't even think it's worth worrying about. After all, Surfshark keeps no user data logged, as proven by regular audits, and even if it did, its RAM-only servers wipe themselves regularly, leaving nothing for third parties to access. So if you're looking for a top-grade security VPN that continually improves, Surfshark is the one. The best part is that all this privacy improvement can be acquired with an exclusive discount. Just scan this QR code or click the link in the description for the best deal already applied. All right, talking about deals, is Surfshark good enough to justify its price? And yeah, I'm happy to say that its price to value ratio is amongst the best in the business. So looking at the main competitors, if you review Surfshark price against them, it's not just cheaper, but Surfshark also doesn't have any device limits. In general, it provides a very flexible plan choice. You can get the most basic plan and enjoy the essential security, performance, and features of Surfshark at a very low price point. Alternatively, you can opt for a higher tier and pay a slightly higher price for a comprehensive antivirus and data removal service. So let's talk about the Surfshark features, starting with the basic plan. Bypasser lets you decide which apps or websites have to be accessed with or without a VPN, in case you only want streaming or torrenting, for instance. Clean Web is Surfshark's ad blocker, and while you're connected to a VPN server, it will block ads, trackers, and malicious links across any website on the internet. And if you use it in the browser extension, you're going to get the Clean Web 2.0 version, which provides full ad blocking potential without connecting to the VPN first. The recently added Fast Track servers build the most efficient connection routes, resulting in optimal performance, even if you're connecting to the other side of the globe. And Multi-Hop lets you chain multiple servers together, building an even more secure connection with multiple layers of encryption at the cost of a slight speed decrease. If you get the Surfshark One bundle, you get an industry-certified antivirus that stands on the same level as other big names like Bitdefender or Norton. At times, Surfshark antivirus even perform better than the long-standing competitors at a fraction of the price. However, the antivirus is not the only highlight of the bundle. There's also the alert feature, which can notify you about data leaks and search for browsing the internet without data tracking or targeted ads. And the highest tier Surfshark plan also includes access to Incogni. That's a service that takes your data that's previously spread far and wide and requests its removal to give you back control of where your information is stored. Next, let's take a look at how does Surfshark perform in the speed department. After a Surfshark speed test, I can confidently say that it currently stands as the second fastest VPN on the market. That's hardly surprising considering it uses the high-performing WireGuard protocol and had two significant upgrades in 2025. It switched to 100 gigabit per second servers and expanded the server grade by over 40%, currently covering 100 countries around the globe. So this fast performance is particularly useful for those of you who are big fans of streaming. If you've ever seen a Surfshark VPN review before, you'll likely know that it is a highly reliable VPN provider for accessing geo-blocked content, and its extensive regional coverage further enhances its capabilities. And for anyone interested in torrenting, Surfshark can also support that with P2P specialized servers for best performance, and the no borders and camouflage modes additionally help hide what you're doing from ISPs. Not because it's illegal, but because ISPs really like to throttle speeds when you do things like streaming, torrenting, or gaming, since, it saves them money. And as you already know, my exclusive discount also saves you money, so feel free to check the link in the description for the best Surfshark deal. All right, overall, Surfshark is a well-rounded VPN that has been improving all throughout 2025, and it's hard to find a more affordable and efficient VPN to enter 2026 with. With all the security and privacy support that it offers, as well as the integrated antivirus, data removal services, and top-tier performance for streaming and torrenting, it provides the best value for the price on the market. All right, thanks for watching this Surfshark review. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and feel free to leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and try to stay safe in the coming year, and I hope to see you soon. I'll be covering other cybersecurity apps that are going to help you in 2026 as well, so make sure you check those out.